Ati file and pay. Set a deadline ni June 30th.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi.
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.
Ne aino munchile na nutagete ko igendereria na boigo kinya ebyasara byaho elio onyore efaida bono tuichana ebe norogongo rwa gusiuri go setting samo chinde ebe ni supermarket utagete koreria e wholesale eduka chisukuru chinyagitari chisalon ebe ne kinyonzi electronics shops Obo sombi wika chi event ao unabono ilia catering egatie chinde tuakire esimirero wetira asi namba 0143567165 gosin 0704765412 Wigo nabukututalira asi chabizi chetu imeyo mucho musongo asamagacho auru towers Nirongoli tangani mbarabali na AM Taylor kose ebengi ya Kenya Women kinya obunchi libua ona Getembe TV rero Getembe Television Network ikineke unga kia mamagusi
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Ati file and pay. Set a deadline ni June 30th.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine. Usipolipa, unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio wana uchapa mafanya.
Hey babe, kwani whose side are you on? Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.
Seriki ni 15 umuti enyino yo gatano ali mu mwakano yo gwechirubere ongebere ne tano no mwanchu mu ligende no kwegena yorando nsia sole na mange nkwaligene tia senchira yo goikirano asura chiko enyora na kwene kibuna komanyoro nsi ali anyalikenere ka okolekana aigeme yensi akinya na boigo ruchinse chase koli tangani gato enyora senchira yo gwe
Mara okaru kolekina ya kolekina iko na ondoka tutindaliti nje kona chite gor mugondo nko inuka saini nkanyora na umina ara irisko njini maite mulitari nkamanya rende ga ataira ati mugoto
omusubati oyo mu bimyaka hemeronge bere na kianda korwa sekenyero kya Nyankongo Kitutu Central kobeko byara asokorusyo bolito
Dato guate pare ego communicate kisi na Nyamira ega changa ngoro suwere ega chekare mwe maro mukare tu pe kunjere kwota distance ye wana de connect lami ya chikoera chipigi stage weta chigaja stage weta mo
abana inji be sise ebunge ya Burabu e county ya Nyamira weso kina kubolia barai ko baroselia chipara
Nokorwe nyombe ya yete ngorara isiko certificate ebitabu byonse byayete byabana mbake bikoroto byayete byonse pipi gento ngiki atori tunyombeye
yamateye mu korwa sekenyero kya Nyagetubo kya Biragitare kwagachirwe nyumba magega ya nyumba ya Bukoyi asa matuka wangoiga Karibu homwancho mulirili literane nsaira sinyakundi oyo konkonya se ensemo yumayiryo igare Wilson Makoli o chake kyonga chinsaibire nigeke korwa kyobusuku sekenyero kya Nyankongo hime ya Kitutu Central magega yo musubati yomo emyaka 20 na kianda korusyo bolito na kurutwa ase nyumba ya Kibara abo bisaba abanyenyimbo korwa Kitutu Central Kitutu cha South nigo bacha kirobotuki ase bagikeire egekorwa ekibororo ase bono okoboriwa warure gochi ase abasubati gotumeka chinchera chiekerero chokobanga oroiboro ane naso okerusanani ebikorwa binga buna ebio morikito Dipon Asanya orobotirwa ase enchera yogoika.
Leta maji.
Imambia ya lero ni abanyakenyero banyankongo ime wodi ya Kitutu Central bunge ya Kitutu Chache South baichaniwa negekore kyobusuku aso musubati we miaka yegatwa akagire korusia obolito na koruta secho omwana we metienyi 5
Simura okaru. Kore kina kore kire. Ikona ondoka tutindaliti. Nje kona chite gor mugongo nko ino kasaini. Nkanyora na uminara irisko. Njini maete molitari nkamanya rende ga ataira ati mogote. Digo kachizo wante ngana arwara ngana sabwa kinkoroka ono naigure siurulia. Nkamotebia tubwana byo kunjinde toroko enda rugurago munyagitari agupima. Akaira na nyora gante no munyagitari ruguro agupima ligo yani ne ligo liri nana kaigwe torwarete mano. Litina morigere lindorenga indateyo
kwana iyo vinaji makoli mwaka bweke nyoleke ono yona nyote ripoti maragoba yona nyote ripoti maragoba ngomwana uriti wecho ngobori omongina echo eyawo gose yo muntu mwao ane cho yane
kamulika guchime era mulika guchime ligere mama nkike likera ngamate yayo lino mwana ina baro akoroto kabako gukumi akitindo chikingo kwana kamora antsa baminto mwana yekana chite kumuligere linkaramba sale timabole tikende yonse nali naye nditoka mumaga katata moine jire senza bire nenusu nali yakere to mwana nde yanu mugambi simu
kuringa ne amate yaye nigo bamochia egekorekeiga na kugikiria bororo
takeruo mwanga nkorokwa umwana no mucho koroko ringane engane yako ni ngane mbe na ndora tirige sambe kebe njena rego chokomanya taje ko taunga cho sibini nyabo korutiro mwana echo nigo toroche babe nande toroche biraro ba minta nyono yo mate riogerio tigamotebe
tindo chingo mwana yega kore kya kore tane kebe nande kebe gaki tigantikira abana nande ntageteiga gaki abaminto umuntu yo mate riogakanyu era amoteba tenga ngomo ete riogeri
kore kene kebe mono omwana yara sikonyola tabu embesana igare konyora omwana yo aengina ategire ngina agenda sako chinyoko genda
Semuyende gusanga no mungina bwenke yeiga ni gamenyereta makungu anena sokorera abachokoro aya maega yo musubati yo yiga kunganya kurwa senka yaye
otigire abana antigire temba birabamura tindi konyara kende gyosi gonko minyoka gakonda nanyore besa naguraga turi njibona munantigire abana ndu tinga yabairo makungu sana asende
ababisa babanyanyimbo ba DCI kurwa sigita seni Kenya nchwani gobono bachakire obutuki limorioka igoro yege koreke igangaki abaswati abake basemiwe kubanga oroiboro onyembare arigania asokonyora abana gose korera
sibati ababa konya muri kunyara gwenda no family tigamwanya mwekie bana metinyeri mwaruzi onye turi kunyara gwetanga nyoro umwana nyasaye nere umaiti family nchiroro onye mwasiri ligunya gitali mbosa onye nechi bese chemist ngwakano dakinya gitali mbosa nyoka nyagitali gali sindani nchiro ebintu bimyake 5 mbiro tikakobereka nende mwamanya korusi gombe bakasi nyasaye bana banyako mwasi buna moigure gaki ekene kiaro kelike bo mwana orokirie kenyoro geitu kachimotige kabisa
Roiga sekenyoro kia Nyankongo wodi ya Kitutu Central County ya Kisii nene ngoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Bia muno murikito Dipon Asanya hasoro bochuru ise ya matuko ikomioka magega yo mubere bwo musacho yomo asirita lija bokuro gotoka kole ne chingoma chemeyo astuna gotukutumbara bare ne para asekenyoro kia lirume ime yegwodi ya bonyamatute bunge ya West Mugirange County Nyamira igorera abasacha babere be miaka yaigatwa babiko byara mu basorero asekenyoro kia lirume ime yegwodi yo asukokerwa kubwatiraniwa no bwiti wo musacho yo
Marita Robert Okiega Maoga mochiwo nyamuta masaba location na kresi mwono mambia ingote biunga oyo itetu lirumia iga opos orejirani yo MCA usore kasi ni yo MCA abantu batokire nga bari bamwitete na kero muturetie simi na motevi kuna guturiza igo lakini before kagona guturiza na kera baskari simi baskari baikoro rescue scene anda umbabu atu barenga muraba bere bamwabo ende bari jijirani cia marehemu uyu itire mbate banga enyimbo ya marehemu njatuka echoime echo yaba muraba nego tinjatuka echo yaba muraba abantu arangire disi yayo babairire uringo ribokorigwe rinde ria kene nobo kene bwa marehemu botoke abana bare ba Peter Teka asa muri tingunyara ko bamanya lakini bare ba Peter Teka ayo mona ari miaka 38 no yona na wabwa around 32 years ayo itetu Ericha bukuro ekero manyitu yore makwiri aya na igetororo tugaikaguturiza wananchi na ende tukarangiria serikali ikaimukia mubiri ikaira baada ya siku mbili kana ngabeke barasororo tugaitona nende nabo twatebete nga muntu taruetiande abantu n'abanyene kero naje kuri barasangarangiria abantu batatu basabe oyo kurete gusaba ise moke abana batuka nga nabo bakoretaga koreke iyo ngamana ko batevinga nyasaho yore moyo wiki tari koera ubura ubutara kibatararekana andi wiki taraera ubura ubarekanire ndi birendia bari itindi sababu bategete no gusamba kinyumba lakini tuweka go ikororo twaturisa twatebanga ino jirani ni nabamo tiga richi kuri gasi yaye nare goteba iganye unyondo ko goseire muri boti erinde erio sheria kuri gasi yaye Enchero yo goito monta manyinga yo monto nonyenka ine kreito ta per nyasaka motevinga goitiro yo mino kaini ajeta batebanga yaya lakini nyasaka motevinga amanyinga kaini naraja gukuria nabana boro bakorete gitendeke amanyinga ali amaremu narari kubari
ati ya wananchi kurwase ward yesise bunge ya Bwarabu county Nyamira igobesokire na kuboria koroseri gwa chipara chiensemejo anene chinga kichiga embura etarairana bosanga na getembe abananchi aba igoba machiro Bwarabu county Nyamira inse yo mwemsiobo kulengana mo na Bwarabu butaraikanerwa amagendero yechipara olikito Paul Kapukara orobotirwa sinjira yobwikira
jinga kichiga umurekero mutindio gendete kobeta inse ebuse kwa neki wase chibara au egati yabamenya baiga na nene bakurwa soro bero igarwe county ya Kisii amane county ya Nyamira asebare kurutinsa mochaka nyorko genda mareremi wigo go bagendera ko bakumunugere ko watakana munebara eye kurutinsa mochamecho wika chinsa mochendemu ko watakana mono korisi wakwaye nigo besokire na kugendera kwa reremi chando bagendete gwetera
ishida to gwate pale ego communicate Kisii na Nyamira ega changa ngoro suwere ga chekare mwe moro mukare tu gape kunjere kwota distance ye wana de ko connect lam ya chikoera chi pigi stage weta chiga stage weta monto wana at least bia sara to kora bia chai biga kwama to gutu ke chai distance na ne bia stage weta chiga chiwete me wono ya banto chikare more bindo chiga saria at least ina mejana to gwate pare rega
ya lemeto kera kitega kurura nkia tiaji kubeko mwaramu chiga cheskuru chikoba chiku kwamukere ngembure ya ture nyinge ya bwana tero sigwe ekonye abana inchi ese kipiasara unabona mangana eskuru abana bakonyorwa eroria kwambaka saine kere cyo kwamugurwa abana banyurwe eskuru bano sokoro kwane ndo tingombo chando ichipana tubwate pake galie chae ko cha kwama ya chigurondia sa tambe twamoje kupimirwe chae echa kwanyoranga ya salekire echikwana mukarani yo choko tenge chae ya beire ya umire bano tiringo nyeira esa gulie okonyorwa etumone chige kinge setundu bali
n'umucando bagendere ko bakomocha barayikura soro gongoriga na nenego chase omwemsibe gwadiga sireta Josia Mangera asikiringa nigo arosite baleyiga atabegete umuhoro mu bwekirano no yonde kobora egento batebiringa ne cheche
bano kerengoliga yali sise kwot chipara njibwate mechando kine kintu bwato mochano monene na pari gitayo magendo te yara nyale yakoba kiagere para nere ya muhimu kese chigachi gweta kio kebwanko no nabo wire ka tukire ke pare ngiye mbwanko murura komyokebwa okonywa nyagitari
aligereria chitaka umuro muchanganjira akayotigo okakoro mutinyu mugima olenjero galita bwate sichigweta nande ya engenga kiembura sana yale gutumono bono ya chire yaikire umuchango y'abana inchi twabekaniramo twayo serevaniri aliye sebapegete asande gereigo egocha goikana ande kotubuna bone egochigocha egotua galchia skuru njiri goeta chiecha njiri goeta omoromu ole kobekwe pare ntomayete ase oniri gochie mechie sebaone tigochia igo egento bago onyemba pe mbaoneti baiche batotenge ibairete ekere bataete kotange pare tabogete parate tabogete e pare tigarete njira gwetera baoneti omoromu.
Ona niko baganire serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nsubura bwa mugavana we kaunti ya Igomuski Amos Kimwamenya libo kubwatana muno mwe msyo yiga kwene kibuna nkogororare aya onsi elio chibarase chinseme chiga konyora obweteko
utoko urubaga chiombe butuko kwa sabwe para toji gosoka isikaste utogwetera bakibatari gocha bakoro moro moyo epare yebe buya esa urigana umwe musiye chosi anabeka chigari 10 echiko bachinyinge endara irani chigali aliko kumuchanga mukege pare yakore agiatare kwanja
ne gavana tetukumiti ngero nkubwatiriere ya igunga omwe musi orosiri ekere ba mwirire report nkomanyare nganja rosi uzete rosi kulingana muna baba minto bakwanire e gavana tokobolia tokorere para
anyare ba otoroke chipara tonya tokonyara tokoendera moendera asubu raisi
gavana nero gwena tamanye mejando tubwate gochaga ige bantu baenge twa korera echigo koruchi nusu na igongo ikerware report osen kororare chigasi ya ngakie bantu bayo ngai ba korega sigochi
igingo report rigitasini kyo bonjete kya getembe kuriga imeye wade yesise bungene ya bure account ne ya Nyamira inchi gongoro kwa Polycarp okara
Murikito Polycarp okara ha sorobotiruo yamate yomugaka osora menya kurwase kenyoro kyanya getugo kyabira heye gotoka se egitare wode ya kemera he kaunti ya Nyamira abo enyomba yabo ya yasama tukabongo igani gobagwa kire getambukiro yabo batani be kyombe kemo kubasira na kubagachire nyumba usangana abanyakenyoro omugaka wenkeyo igasambete nyombe yo magega yo kurwa kunywa amarwa egenta goteba kya musegetete atamanyiti ulikitodani runtire no roboti rwa senchira yongwikira
enka y'omugaka osoro amenya nigo yagokere getambukiro gyo kwagachira nyumba n'abasamaria bekyombe kya Mid Funds and Traders magega y'omugaka wenkeyo konywa marwa na kwesambe nyumba yaye kare hase inchira yo gotemanya
kusera mwikari seitogo kamba nona soga tomo chioyo na tiete biashara byane ngwakerwisi mgende na tiete komino musibati onde nchira ndaraika nganyora ngakerwisi misi enyomba yawe yayire kengo tira kominyoka ndoche erio kirine sana ubi ngayo ngatebo monene one ngonyi ngibuskia sambe nyomba ngominyoka nyora abasamaria banakenyoro baichirecha akatema kukonye nyombeje lakini mbakonye tikende kionsi
samaria tangere kwesera amenya nje mwenye nake nje musibati bina twakite tukomera munere kamere nare usobya akabona negete tente togo siba kenyenga ekinasi ibetengacha kanyaranga na yekire nyomba nyuma singa stima tikosana masaitani ambaye ebintu byabana naronsambe byonse aye kenteka mbetore kuri kana ngoro sabo kwa
okwana ekerekyo nigabanyakenyero bairaniria ngambie mono hase obokonyo bo na komenta buna ikigange chikokonya omugako yiga gochaka obugemo bwayo bujia
ani kyombi tonko bairaniria ngambie mono banyakenyero mbia mono aso gutoikange bia mono aso gokonya sela nandi nyasaye tigabakonya agenda ko bamentro moyo yuyu
omongena wenkeyo nigasanga amaliga yokorara isiko ga yokoyerwa chianga na wege bitabo byabana ni certificate
no kuri nyombe yayite ngurara isiko certificate ebitabo byonse byayite byabana mbake bikoroto byayite byonse pipipi gento ngiki atori tunyombeye ndaite nari kusaba mongonye mombwatesi dore certificate cyabana ko senenyore patiere sukuru kurweru no bare isiko gaiga bono nzangaite
chinga kecho nigo bagikiria owengia marwa ngana egenderete gosegeto bosaria na koirira chinga chinyinge koboneka
akwenga maruga akikamuranje rosi amarwa maya abantu bakunywe kwera rero koranga marwa kali korosi bugabwate mechano lindo konyora omonto nyura amarwa chiro ingentire onde koigwo sambira abana baye onde koigwo itiro mukungu waye na abana baye bono gwikirana bayari gocha kobe yako
wengi wa marwa
no gutumika gwe binyungwa byo gutindia elio echinka chito chitwara morembe n'abantu baitu bagenda chikanisa basaba Nyasaye na bije binde byonse tubigikiri birase ibinyoro byito ibikoreta sarabune yaberega iga paka bono yani no mukiro maiga nande twari gusaba abana siasa n'abantu bande bonse babwato moyo munyabugwancha babiko koboka senkere iga ngagweta n'amabati atwekembe kikyareta ebintu bine mbiganirie binge ebyo bugima bonyare koboko entaso mukiro iga
abantu bari bakorosia amaru tugabatwera abana bangwerera amaru yani abaganga baitu banyura amaru nonye nyomba mbari gocha gakina kyabangina togoteba mangana
Nkurwa terega sene kya gatembe kurega kamera imeye county ya Nyamira literane nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri
Yamno mulikito Daniel Ontiri ha soroboti urwo aboroki gwa beskuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga himeye wodi ya masomero ebunge ya West Mugirango ni go mubasorero besokina okorokorobekana kwa murembe ha seba muchiri aboroki bali bagendete gusamba chiskuru haigeme yensi ya Kenya kukwana nabarali koru ase skuru yo igaboroki gwabo baburira aboroki bonsi emergency kwenyura ekerenga kyabe kenene kya masomo tingaki barase chiskuru muri kitufati ga December aroboti rwasinjira yobikira
Abo na borokiwa beskuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga yebotoke wodi ya Busamaro abo besokirie na gukwanira umuchando bugusamba chiskuru oyo ogendrete kwenekiwa chiskuru ao aborokiwa baigani go bairire chinga kechi na gukwanira obobe obubogocha kubwatikana no gusambwa okwo we chiskuru.
My name is Jaywanja, head girl of Gesiaga High School. The real reason we are here is about condemning these things about strikes and fires that has been going on among schools. We as Gesiaga High School, we did the math and saw how big of a burden or how big of a loss our principal would have undergone if we decided to do such a rational thing. When we decide to ban the schools, the loss of infrastructure that the principal will have suffered was so big. And so we decided that we are here to learn. We came to school to learn, not to strike to go home. Going home is not the solution and it will never be the solution. To other students out there who would maybe decided to go home and not to learn, I'd like to tell you, please, that's not the solution and it will never be the solution.
Aiga aborokiwa beskuru yiga ya Gesiaga nigo batumekire ribagerio na gutuma amagomba abo gucyasi cyamate cyonzi echo cyanyorire ogwa kwa kubwatekana no gusambwa okwo we chiskuru aseboigo basemirie chiskuru naboigo aborokiwa bonsi buna.
I would like to tell the administration to ensure that each and every school is giving that friendly relationships to students so that they can face the teachers and tell them what is the problem and also express their feelings toward the teacher. And again, I would like to urge my fellow students that they should always visit the guiding and counseling teams, express their feelings and avoid distracting or destroying school properties because at all it is our school.
Ase ensema yaye omorokyo monene bweskuru yiga ya Gesiaga Dr. Zakari Ondieki nigo airire chinga kyecho na gwa kabuya ase aborokiwa bonsi beskuru eyo aso gwancha nakoba abatoereru ase boigo asabira abaibori kubaika abana babange anene asogotema kubaitona anene ase mechando eria bagendrete gwetira buna enchira eyemo yokuyagayana
Elietaliane Dr. Zakari Ondieki mokwa ninche chief principal yeskuru ya Gesiaga bono esamangana ya yogo sali chiskuru onko tabia abaiboli muna toko bwato ka abana gochanka na skuru tali Gesiaga yoka mwara ikaransa na barabu mwabategerera ekiagera nabo barabaerese mangana abera atatu mwatotebia na ali ese totali konyara mwacha twabwaterana to address ya mangana abana buna bono nabalikeire newsletter ebintu abana aba bantebete batagete njebwe kati nkonyara igo abaiboli bali bantegererete obwate newsletter elio some oigunga inki omwana watagete kiagera ebintu ebinge ebese oyokoru nalinda akole ebintu ebino omoiboli
oboiga no boseme bwaye asaboroki wabande
igongo tebia abana bale Kenya ngima mbobe sana gusamba abamwabo teri gento kiya aso mwana otarwarete kwabwate kebiriti kwa musamba nkolengere nona asinya saa to kwaberu ekere michandere gosobo konguboro gosemutara isanekane bintu muna bigokoru mbuya mwateba na motebu nga yaya ntokonyara eibado ne ansa ikiagera togoikaransa na bokonyoranga una nchomorerie kiagera nje noborerie ngokora mono nkorenda abana akerema etebese teyo na bongo batebese chinchiyo abaibori batoe moko abana bale Kenya mbakoira atua yogosarie bintu
chingaki echecho nigo ensemo ye kanisa anena seskuru ejeiga nabarabwo besokya na gukwanira injira babere bakubabekera aborkiwa baiga bonsi oboroso.
Pastor Evans Mosota chaplain yeskuru ejeiga ya Gisiaga twabere tokoira ensemo enene yogo kwanira abana baiga negetabu kia emeranganie yemo ebungo byaye bitano na bibere kotebanga oko moiro ko monene noro muchakano wechiseme
Hingo ripota Gatembe kuraiga seskuru ya sekondari ya Gisiaga egotoka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira. Njefa Atigad Yisemba
Gito Fatigad Hisemba ha Sorobotiru na Sorobotiru mwanchumo likili atanyoru mutimokomo keto kuirana tugende nikiunga sinchira yoboikirano.
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
File and pay. Saturday night ni June 30th.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine. Usipolipa unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio wana uchapa mafanya.
Hey babe. Kwani whose side are you on? Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.
Ine kwabiri gukorya a road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya a track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatie chi road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere a track yibwateri bagaliya eyekerero na bwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo ligi ya kigima eryo lichunjukire ligo kwana nechinguru na bwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Chanjere chi MC na bwigo a track yana boko jitumika asabo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Piga yobo! Ati file and pay. Me you was any stress. Saturday night ni June 30th.
Sio wasi extend. Sindio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine. Na lazima upande zote.
Simi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Ai wewe acha kunienjoy wewe. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
Last year I filed babe. Kwanza mapema. I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio wana uchapa mafanya.
Hey babe. Kwani whose side are you on? Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle. Hata ni rahisi.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns. Na ya maana zaidi, umelipa. Jijue, halafu jibeta.
Kunande homwanchumo ligiriria. Omo senator Mochore homoskosi okinyure. Igeso kiribene na gukwanira igoro yebikoro bya bantu. Konyarekana basiriti amagimabo hebyo bya gendere comment kana mono haigeme yense anene hasoro gongoro agusi. Gukwana imara kwa bayalero asamaga cho yebunge ye senate. Mo senator okinyure ni garuro kubolia gochi asabo bisabo bulendi. Wesoke na gokorobo tukibwa imemono na kwene kibuna nkubika barubulendi boisaine gochiase abana inchi.
On the killings we are experiencing, just by mentioning that the same less than 2 weeks ago, we lost one Elijah Nyambega who was abducted and murdered by unknown assailants, who was a student in KU from Nyangusu in Bobasi constituency. Then later on, there was a decomposing body of an elderly man, 50 years, by the name Geoffrey Oteri Nyamao. And just yesterday, we have one Amos Manasseh of Keroka Technical Training Institute, who was actually stoned to death yesterday, Mr. Speaker. We are having a series of these murders, reasons not known because there are so many allegations surrounding the deaths of those people. I want to call that the security department really looks into this matter and urge that our people should not take the law to their own hands, where you stone people and kill people without giving chance to know why we are having what we are having, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to call that the security agencies swing into action, not only in looking into the issue by Senator Wambua and Senator Kavindu, but also by the murders that have reported from those areas, Mr. Speaker.
Yabangina korwa chinsemo korwa sebunge ya South Mugirange County ya Kisii nigobesokire na kwemurunganelio kwebwa isiko asensemo yogosirwa korwa sabarai anene korwa siabisi yo mugimenerepo no nyankorwa emyaka ya magega korwa Gesachi County chagetiwe bakoragwa ni goboigo bagukwana somusangirekano yomo ime ye chinseme cho ni gobono baruro kobolia gochi asaba 90 kwene kibunango chora bare abarai au baranyale bakubwenyura asamagendero
mogoko monene tuomiranire gaiga South Mugirango asengenje twachire kwa semania ngana kitoko ligichikura cha 2027 omwaka ogocha ngina baminto mbyamana asengenje mwangitabire na inche ndigyo ekerokyo bogumanrep byamana asengenje ye support
ngwa babande ba minto buna baburaka ntoko igukorwale ingafa matibu program nero eyiye kogera abantu abayiga tokorokwa abakungu asaba buraka tole inclusive ngakanga 9 chibese chitwachirorire chigotokonya ekiagera ntoli baburaka bataiborete igotora baburaka babugata abana timanye tigose bachiete bakaombia abakungu abo bagambire chigwimenire korutwa yetu county ndabonta getera baro baigwerania rero naki mmetukosea tena mmetukosea ekiagera bono linda abakungu no tuli moyo tuli abasacha bagakwa abana ntubuate tokweyageria kemba togosomi ngiakora mutana koinyora inwe onyoyo tara ikaransa kerogo torangeiri moroche ngobakirense
no mintorosa ochira sabangina bamwabo ole neri yanda linene mono leime mono ngani nchwa bangina ba minto mombwatie genteika elinde na inche njakoira na maega njakoira na asemole mbabogori mbasuki elinde ni muske muna bangina bekinze kinde basukire ase igora ro mongino mintorosa mbyamana asogocha tikanya sakora mutaramo na matyanyo minto
tanga ni nyasai mutu ekiagero borai nyasa okorwa tanga ni nyasaye motu na indumuna abakungu abaiga kwarangeri rituko lya rero tokorera asobosi bwa nyasaye ritukase elinde elinde nyasaye ko inyora ko bwatoko bako
ekinare gocha kubamanya ne kemo na ndekere kya muhimu sana inga matiangyo minto etotegeta State House olio tarabwata ekura kora nche obwate otebia abana bawo nyomba babwate chikura otebi mokaba mura baino babwate chikura baro bakwobwa nga yatinda amanyereria batebi nga baikire babwate kura echagotokonya 2027.
Abachumbe hime yebunge nene nigo bagendete kweneke ngusana nene kubatikana ni finance bill yo mwaka wa 2025 anena saba jumbe bali bakokoboke serikali ngo tebuna nigere na maya gochi aso mwananchi wakonyora wense na bali bakwamiriria serikali nigo bagotebuna finance bill yo igehera chieko ba homusigo mulito gochi aso mwananchi asabage kaire buna nigo barachi wakekura yogwetia gose gotugutirare finance bill yo.
The Cabinet Secretary for Treasury would even contemplate doing something that is very unconstitutional. Because, Mr. Speaker, this is almost like saying, if you are arrested, you can start serving your criminal sentence even before the judges have had you. And just in case they determine that you are innocent, you will just be released. When agency notices are issued, your property has been confiscated, even if you win, some of the damage cannot be undone. So we are just saying that the Cabinet Secretary, at least on this one, please, don't bring things that are even unconstitutional.
Thank you. Technology, Honorable Speaker, in doing our returns, Honorable Speaker. However, we are also putting an obligation to the authority that they will have to give a taxpayer a chance to amend the pre-populated returns, Honorable Speaker, and therefore, if your populated returns shows that this is your liability, you will be given a chance to amend, Honorable Speaker, and to prove, so that we do not have KRA now coming for everyone and giving fictitious, Honorable Speaker, assessment that the taxpayer is not able to amend, Honorable Speaker.
In particular, thank and applaud the Chair of Finance Committee and Parliament for moving people-driven amendments. I am extremely happy that among the constituencies that the Committee of Finance visited is West Mugrango constituency. And when I see amendments being moved pursuant to the contributions and public participation done in my Nyamira town, I say this is the parliament that the people want, and I thank you.
Honorable Speaker, I want to support this particular clause because since when we passed the VASP and it was assented into law here, it has actually been very beneficial, Honorable Speaker, because it has brought more comfort to investors, especially in the digital financial innovation space, and it has made the risk level to go down. So, Honorable Speaker, this is one particular space that we really need to support, because again, when you look at the output of cryptocurrency investment that we do in this country, we are actually listed among top 2 in Africa. So this is very encouraging, and we need to really support it as a house.
Nigo kwa rure gochia sabana siasa kwene kibuna kubeka baro murembe chinga kijigensi ya Kenya gendete kwiroberi asobachole bonene bu mwaka bw'ikirubire 2025 obwatani oni gobeso kiria soko gikiria ibikorwa by'obusali hebyo bigendete kwene kigwa hageme yense kurengana na barabu hase baruro kubolia gochi asabana siasa utigana gutumika abasaebu na chigune igento bono batebiruna nigo kira chikubekensi ya Kenya sabe.
So when there are violations of human rights, be they political rights, social rights, they bridge the gap. The people should be speaking for the voiceless, and so we want them to actually use their platforms to advocate for peace, advocate for cohesion, and to also tell people that goonism doesn't pay. So at the end of the day, if you realize what Commissioner said yesterday, if you do not toe the line, if you do not reform, then there will be other consequences, which you may not know what that means. But what it means is that there must be peace at all costs. There must never be political intolerance at all costs. Everybody is mapping what they need to map. If this is politically instigated, then the police are actually on toes. They are trying to investigate to know who initiate the goons, which politician hires these goons. If there's need for dialogue, then that will take place. But already we are having a conversation to find a way of taming it.
We are asking people to tolerate each other, irrespective of differing opinions about different things. We still remain one people, we still remain one region and one country. We do not have to kill each other or maim each other because we have differing political opinions.
So the conversion today is just to try and look at all those particular issues, because when we do better politics, it serves and it's better for us, it's better for our economy, it's better for our businesses. So any other gray area that at least we've been witnessing in the man of campaigns, in the man of violence around here, are things that are concerning us as CSOs. And for people who really champion the rights, we really want us to live within the Constitution. There are electoral laws. We only want adherence to these particular laws. We might not need new laws now. I think the time now is just to ensure that whatever we have works for us.
Omo raibenso muske William Ruto ni gatebrune serikali igendete kubwatirana hamone sekta so kwene kibuna gotingiro bolende ha senyanchene ya Indian Ocean aso kwene kyobororo boburubi wechinso kokona aso musangirikano oikominarimo aso musangirikano Ocean Conference omuske Ruto nigo haterubuna hokobwatikana no bokoryo obuya we serikali ase sekta ya mung'anarengete nyanja ero yairete ensi ya Kenya konyora libaga lyo kwarigania musangirikano yo ase ntunde ntangane asorogongo rwa Africa.
We have invested another 3 billion shillings to a maritime center that will be used for information gathering and research that is going to assist our fisheries and blue economy ecosystems. So it is because of this deliberate and intentional investment in our fisheries and blue economy ecosystem that today Kenya has been recognized as a blue and oceans country. And that is why we are hosting this conference for the first time in the African soil. Delivering in full the commitments that have been made will expand our maritime and marine protected areas, restore our fisheries, combat climate change, cut pollution, build sustainable blue economies, and strengthen maritime security, ultimately growing our shared ocean wealth. We have also committed to a different model of growth, one that combines economic opportunity with conservation through offshore renewable energy, the transition to circular and biodegradable materials, sustainable fisheries, and inclusive national sustainable ocean plans. Let me, however, reiterate that commitments without the means to deliver them will never match the urgency or the scale of what the oceans now demand of us. We must find new and bolder ways to mobilize finance, deploy technology and innovation, build capacity, and make our existing ocean frameworks work together rather than apart.
Omonchomo liria tunyore kiunga koruchinse cheisiko ni gabananchi kuwaterana nebyombe bakwegerera hobwene bwa mwanya bantu anene yense ya South Africa nigo bagendete kurobekana kugikere bosagani abantu habu bamenyete ense yo habu bakoruchinse chorogongo rwa Africa obosagani obwo nigo bolengeta abananchi kuruchinse cha Africa naboigo chinse cha Asia muri kitupurani nyakunde na twaliganira roboti rwa senchira yobwikira.
Buna chinse chiabeire chikomanyekana koba egatiye chinse chire n'obutajiri naboigo amabaga amange y'ekigasi ime yorogongo rwa Africa. Ensi ya South Africa nigo yabeire yakogokia abageni abange korwase chinse chiabo na kuligia emeremo aroro.
I came in South Africa as a child, probably at the age of 9, turning 10.
Nigo bono yarorekanire abageni abo bakwirana ase chinse chiabo kobwatekana no gokeana kwa mabagayo y'ekigasi. Ebirengo by'isano nemo igoro y'emia by'abantu babaire bakomenya imeyense yo n'abageni korwa ase chinse chinde abo bono bairwe goikira kitariki 30 cy'umutyenyoyo liyo kung'anya na koirana ase chinse cyabo. Ghana, Zimbabwe, Nigeria negatiye chinse chinde nigo babaire bakoirania abananchi babo kiribu isato abo ase gati yabo baorokiriye omogoko koirana ase chinsobo.
I'm very happy.
Benjamin Noyomo korwa ase ense ya Nigeria oyo tebire buna nigari no mogoko mono koirana ase ense iyo ya Nigeria niga beire ga komenya imeyense yo asirika kimya kai 12 kolende yabeterire koirana ase ense yae ekiagera nigo babeire bagoserigwa korwa South Africa. Kolende abande nigo basinyure koirana ase chinse cyabo buna Eznak Joseph korwa ense ya Malawi oyo obwate abana batatu abake oyo babeire kagoserigwa korwa ase amenyete imeyense yo
ya ntabana anabwela uzari
kolengana Eznak niga goteba buna abantu bachite ase enkayae na komotebi goikanganye korwa ase ense yo na koirana ase ense ya Malawi.
I'm saying this is the country, it's got laws, and it's our country, and our laws must be respected.
Ukorobekana nigo bono kogendete koba imeyense yo ya South Africa kolende nigo ugosaga no boigo kogenderete koba abange babamenyi imeyense yo nigo bakwemurungania igoro yo kuborwa kwomolembe.
For sudden I'm told to leave, I'm told to get out, I'm told to be that I don't belong here, I'm told that I'm not one of them. So it makes me question, what about during those years that I grew up with the kids of this place? We've created friendship, we've created family, we've created bonds with them. And then it's questions feeling like, which means that no matter where you go as a refugee, you always feel like you're not wanted. The protesters are claiming that they want to chase out illegal immigrants, but then us as refugees and asylum seekers, we're also being dragged into that problem even though we have proper documentation. I feel unsafe, threatened, and it questions my being in South Africa for the past 15 years.
Inko ripoteli igetaseni kia getembe elietariane Brian Nyakundi.
Ekionga chikosoli homonchumu hirilia chikosoli chisekondari hase kaunti ya Kisii igo litukira lero chiachaka mamerania yo yemepira nigo yokuligi abanyangongo bara chikoimukia ebandere ye kaunti ya Kisii. Chikosoli icho nigo chiachaka litukira lero na nigo chirachikwera litukulia chumomosi chitariki 20. Mulikitu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na roboti rwa Sinchira yobwikira.
Ase chisukuru chechisekondari chiria chiaba abanyangongo kurwa chisub county au che county ya Kisii lero chiachaka chikosoli chemepira au ase skuru ya Cardinal Tunga Mosocho. Ase engoyo yabamura iyo yabwata chitimu 12 nigo chabaganire ase chipul inye gose chigurupu inye. Kera egrupu nigo yabwata chitimu isato ase kera etimu yagosala chingoyo 2 elio koligia omobui oyo ogosuka bosio amo namba 2 kogenda quarter finals. 19 minutes. Namba isato kere grupu nigo ekogenda inga yache kogendera amo na masomo. Ase grupu A eyo yabwate ongincha secondary Nduru Boys boigo metembe secondary esukuru ya Nduru Boys nigo yasokigwa kurwa ekeminanekyo. Grupu P nigo yabwate Nyakorere secondary Ndonyo mixed boigo sameta ase Nduru Boys yabake goitwa na kurusigwa ekeminanekyo. Grupu C Nyakora secondary Itilio Boys na Getuki secondary ase Getuki yabage kurusigwa. Grupu D Nyamache Boys Cardinal Tunga Mosocho amo na St Paul Amasago secondary ase Nyamache Boys yaitwa amo ne chitimu echo 2 na kurusigwa ekeminanekyo. chitimu chonsi namba AM amana namba ibere nigo chira chikogosoli ase quarter finals ankyo ase engoyo egatia Masago Secondary amona Cardinal Tunga nigo yaera makali ase chiabeka na chigoli ibere ase ibere na bali abatenenerete chingo yechu nigo bate babuna ngwikeranza bali baligererie buna ntimuki ego chikotangana kuru grupu D omokochi omonene bwe skuru ya Masago kokwana na getembe batarachaka engo yeyo nigo ate babuna era nigo arengeretie koira egekombe gie county.
Kwa majina naitwa Job Jordan, coach wa St Paul's Masago Secondary School. Nifaa tumetoka kwa Sonol, tumekuja sub county, lakini bado tuko hapa kwa county. Naona kama timu yangu inaendelea kupanda moral na tumequalify tena kuenda kwa, bado tujaqualify kuenda quarters, lakini tunangangana kuenda quarters, bado tuko ndani. So sasa tunaenda kungangana na St Cardinal wenyewe kutafuta number 1 na 2 yenye kesho tunaenda kwa quarter final. Mpaka sasa naona kuna motivation ya players wanaenda mbali na wako na moral watafika huko final. Kwa timu yangu kutupa nafasi na sasa sema ni pressure, walikuwa under pressure sana. Unajua kama kwa team sasa zingine kuna pressure inaweza involve ma players wawezi tulia, lakini sasa wamelearn lesson, walikuwa kwa hiyo practical kufanya hapo, lakini sasa nimeona wamelearn lesson, wameniambia wenyewe walitupa hiyo chance, lakini hii second game watakuwa wana utilize hizo chances. Mashabiki naweza waambia wafurahie tu kwa sababu hii game na win. Nimejua kesho nitakuwa number 1 na nishike runners up ya huko. Bado wakae tu na sisi na wakae na hiyo moral na hiyo motivation, hii game tuna win.
Captain Nero ya Masago ni gata babuna barabuo mbosi olio kabarochie.
Kwa game ya leo tunataka ushindi. Tunataka kufikiri regionals tunakaa, si ndio? Yes. Hii mechi ya pili mnatarajia kupata mabao mingi. Tumefanya correction yenye game ya kwanza tumefanya, game ya pili tunashinda mabao na mingi.
Ekionga Chikosoli, Njewa Cliff Tyson.
Na gwikira kabo manchomo likiriria no gwikira omwelio bwa mangana mayaye kionga chinsaibire chabo no butiko kolende chikoraga chinsenya ningira na ngumanya senchira yo boikirano iletira nensaira sinyakundi sense moyumanyirio igarenge Wilson Makoli magaji chikamera igarenge Elvis Manyara oyuene kichibicha na mulio gochira senchira yo boikirano nigarenge Eugene Matogo na gosabiro twarubulikiriria gorobia.
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
Ati file and pay. Me, you was in stress.